In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your Gmail account photo. Updating your profile picture is a great way to personalize your account and make it easily identifiable to others. So, let's get started on this simple task that can make your Gmail experience a little more personal. First, you'll want to open any web browser on your computer and navigate to www.google.com. Once you're there, check that you're signed in with the Google account you want to update. You can confirm this by looking at the top right corner of the page. If you see your current profile picture or an initial, it means you're signed in. If not, click the blue Sign In button and enter your credentials. With the right account selected, it's time to head to the main event, changing your profile picture. To begin, click on the circular profile icon located in the top right corner of the page. This will reveal a small drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a larger version of your current picture along with two buttons beneath it. Look for the Manage Your Google Account button and give it a click. You'll then be directed to your Google Account settings page. This page is your hub for managing all things related to your Google usage, from privacy settings to personalization options. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a navigation menu. From this menu, click on the Personal Info tab. This section stores all your personal account details like your name, email address, and more. Once you're inside the Personal Info section, scroll down until you spot the Photo section. Here you'll see the current photo associated with your account. To update it, click on the blue Photo link or on the existing picture, whichever you prefer. This action will open a pop-up window with options to upload a new photo or choose one from your existing Google Photos library. If you decide to upload a new photo, click on the Upload Photo option. Then, browse your computer files to find the image you wish to use. Make sure your chosen image complies with Google's requirements and guidelines. Ideally, it should be a clear, identifiable picture of yourself. After selecting your image, wait for it to upload. This shouldn't take more than a couple of seconds, depending on your internet speed. Once the upload is complete, you'll have the option to adjust the crop. Google provides intuitive cropping tools so you can precisely frame your image. Play around with the zoom and crop features until you're satisfied with the appearance of the photo. When you're happy with the adjustments, click Set as Profile Photo to finalize the change. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Gmail account photo. Your new profile picture will now appear whenever you send emails or interact with Google's suite of services. It's a small change, but it sure can make a big difference in personalizing your digital presence. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly updated profile.